Welcome back to my channel. Today we're breaking down the 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 250SX, the lightweight adventure bike that's redefining what an entry-level ADV should be. Compact, capable, and ready for real rides, this bike is more than just a starter machine. Adventure-ready design. The 2026 V-Strom 250SX keeps Suzuki's signature adventure DNA with a tall windscreen, rugged beak-style front fender, and purposeful bodywork. Its upright stance and comfortable ergonomics signal readiness for both city commutes and gravel paths while keeping a sleek silhouette that's easy on the eyes. Engine and performance. Powering the 250SX is a refined 249 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine tuned for smooth, predictable power delivery and excellent fuel efficiency. While it won't blow doors off, its torque-rich mid-range makes it perfect for urban traffic, canyon runs, and light trail riding. The engine's refined throttle response gives confidence to new riders and a fun, manageable feel for experienced ones. Chassis and handling. Suzuki engineers designed the lightweight chassis to be agile and confidence-inspiring. The long-travel suspension absorbs bumps and uneven terrain with surprising composure, while the bike's low weight makes it easy to flick through twisty roads or narrow trails. Comfort and practicality. Comfort is a strong point for the 250SX. The seating position is relaxed yet engaging, the seat itself is cushioned for longer rides, and the bike's narrow footprint makes it easy to maneuver in tight spots. Cargo options and luggage mounts add practicality, letting you pack for weekend escapes with ease. Tech and rider aids. For 2026, Suzuki equips the V-Strom 250SX with a clear digital display, efficient LED lighting, and dual-channel ABS for added safety. The tech suite is simple, functional, and intuitive, perfect for riders. Final thoughts. The 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 250SX is one of the most compelling lightweight adventure bikes out there, versatile, easy,